Slimes are hostile mobs that spawn only in large open areas or in swamp biomes, making encounters rare for new players. They come in three sizes: small, medium, and large, and their behavior differs depending on their size. Large slimes will split into medium slimes when killed, and medium slimes will split into smaller slimes. Small slimes can be killed with a single hit from a sword, though using your fists is often more efficient to save weapon durability. These tiny slimes do very little damage, but will drop slime balls when defeated. Large slimes deal moderate damage. Medium slimes cause mild damage, and small slimes are mostly harmless. Crossbows with the multi-shot enchantment are effective for taking out multiple small slimes at once. After defeating slimes, collect the drops, which are usually slime balls, as well as experience points. 9 slime balls can be crafted into a slime block, which is bouncy, or used with pistons to make sticky pistons, allowing blocks to be moved forwards and back.